In this video, we will be disassembling the trigger box of the SSG10A1. If you need to know how to get to this part, that is a separate video, the full disassembly of the SSG10A1. We already have it out. These are the screws that are connecting it to the receiver, and we will proceed. All right. First things first, we will actually remove the safety right here. It's not super necessary, but I would recommend doing so because it will make it easier then to assemble it, and it's literally just one screw, spring, and the safety itself. So let's just remove it, and now we have free hands to start with the screws. These screws are screw glued, so it's not gonna be the easiest thing in the world to open it. There is little chance that you need to go inside. If you do, just know that they are screw glued. I'm gonna use some force on it. This one was rather easy. Let's see about this one. Okay, that one also let go. I can feel the screw glue, but that's okay. It's actually good. We don't want these to come loose anytime. Okay, this one was rather okay. If you need to deal with screw glue or stuck screws, we have a dedicated video on that. You can also watch that one. But these have quite big Allen key heads. The bit is quite chunky, so you should not have any issue actually doing that. All right, now you will see that everything kind of loosened, and we can basically just lift this, and there is nothing that we can more disassemble here. And all the parts are like so. Super simple, super easy. We just separate the different parts. And probably the most quote-unquote complicated will be this spring that I will show you. Notice there are shims on each side of the trigger here on this sear that's actually engaging with the piston. So we want to make sure that we don't lose them and that we also put them back where they belong. This pin can also be removed. This one is on there. All right, now let's take a closer look at these springs. Now when it comes to removing these springs, you should not actually remove it if you don't need to, but if you want to, I will show you how to do it. When you look closely, you will see that one of the ends is actually not connected. It's just hooked in a way that it looks like it's one loop, but it's actually not. You can grab pliers and you can actually pull it and hook it around the thin edge, like I did just now. It's really hard to see or show it on the camera, but you will see that now it's kind of hooked, and I can basically just unhook it like this, and now these two are separate. Basically the same goes for the other side. I can just prep like this, and I will just pull it out. Make sure to not damage the spring. Again, I would prefer not having to do this, but if you need to, this is how you can even remove the spring, and then we just reverse the process. That's it for the disassembly of the trigger box. This is all you can do. It's super simple. There is a bunch of chunky parts. Now in the next one, we will put it back together.